Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
lovely.
Oh, lovely. You look so lovely as well. Okay. So, where are you from?
Philippines.
Philippines. Okay, that's cool. And
Mm-hmm.
where do you live in Philippines? I mean, which city?
Ah, or you mean like Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, like that?
Yeah, I mean,
I'm living in the part of
okay. So,
Visayas.
do you know
Mm.
Manila?
Manila, yes, of course, it's a capital,
Yeah, capital. And how far?
capital place in
And how
Philippines.
far is
Yes,
it
please.
from your place? How far is it?
Should I go by bus for 1 day from Manila to my place
Oh,
to
that means
Visayas?
uh, one day. You need one day. That means so far.
1 day by bus. Yes.
Okay. So lovely. Do you study or work? What do you do?
Right now, I was working here in UAE right now. How about you? Where are you
Uh,
working?
yeah, I'm a student, still student. I don't have any work.
Oh, so how old are you?
I'm
How old
24.
are you? Oh, you're so young.
Yeah. So how about you? How old are you?
I'm 33 only.
30.
Only. Actually, I'm your sister. Yeah,
Okay.
I'm your sister.
Okay. So where are you now? Are you in Philippines right now?
No,
Then
I'm living here in UAE.
Norway?
I'm living in UAE. Not Norway, UAE.
Oh, UAE. That means United States of uh, Emirates. I mean,
United Arab Emirates.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. Okay,
Mhm.
that's cool.
Do you know? Do you know Dubai?
Yeah, I know Dubai.
But I'm not living in Dubai actually.
Yeah, it's very expensive. Everything is
Thank you,
expensive there.
Canada.
Am I right?
Mhm. Yeah,
Everything is expensive.
all, not all.
Expensive country. Yeah, expensive city or country. What should I say?
How come? How come the countries will be expensive?
Yeah,
Canada, boy, thank you so much.
you
I
know
thought you're
what?
talking about
What? Sorry.
oh, I was thinking you're talking about the any kind of items like expensive.
Oh, okay. So, do you have a car? Do you have a personal car?
No,
No.
I didn't. I didn't think even to get a license here. No,
Okay. Okay.
because
So,
I'm not born in UAE, so why should I buy a car? I didn't buy a car.
okay.
I
So,
just do come here for work.
do you live alone or together?
So
I mean,
sorry,
do you live with your family over there,
sorry.
or do you live with your family
Where do I live?
over there?
No, no, I was living in partition. I'm renting like a half room,
Oh, okay.
and they do like partition. Yeah, my
So,
princess.
do you have siblings?
I have two kids in Philippines. I have a sister also here
Oh, okay.
in UAE. Mhm.
That's cool. So you can ask me anything, any question.
Yeah.
What do you like? What do you want to know about Bangladesh?
Oh, now it's my turn.
Yeah.
So, do you have also siblings? Hi, Abdul.
Yes, I have siblings. Like,
Do you have a siblings?
yeah, we are two brothers and a sister.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So, living in how do you say in Bangladesh?
Yeah, I live in a city. It's named Netrakhona, and our capital city is
Mm.
Dhaka, and it's 145 kilometers far away from my city.
I think I think the Taka name for your money is the name of your money is Taka, right? Taka.
Dhaka.
No.
Taka. Yeah, Taka is money.
Right
Yeah,
here.
you're right.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you know about Bangladesh?
I told you right. I have a team before. We are both working in some in like
Oh, okay. That
not
means,
supermarket. Seems like
do you
yeah.
have do you have
I have a coworker,
colleague, Bangladeshi
friends,
colleague, like that?
colleague.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. That's
Yes.
cool. Many Bangladeshi people stay over there.
Mm-hmm.
So how is everything? How is going?
Fine.
Okay. So tell me
Fine. Even
something
not you.
about your daily routine. When you get up, like that.
My daily routine.
Yeah.
About my daily routine. Oh, I wake up in like afternoon to go work. When I go home 12 midnight, then
Okay.
eat, shower, sleep. Otherwise, before I sleep, Bigo. Hi, Pimin.
And what
Hi,
is your
Bye.
what do you do in your free time?
Hmm? I'm just playing in my TikTok.
Okay. So do you have any favorite game?
Talking to my children. Talking to my children's.
Okay. So do you have any favorite game or sport?
I just play in TikTok. I have also a YouTube channel. I didn't use that much.
So can you sing a song right now?
Yeah. Why should I sing a song? Bad boy.
Any song,
So funny.
or 3 lines, because
Who's that bad boy?
for my audience. Can you sing a song?
Mm-hmm. No way, sorry. I don't want the UAE will rain again.
Okay. So
You guys, can you please subscribe to Mr. Fall channel?
thank you.
Mm.